So, Super 6 Part 3. I got the new carburetor. That's on there. We need to find the kickdown linkage, the choke coil thermostat, replace this fuel line, and do some other stuff. We're also going to be taking off the dash, the gauge cluster, and we're going to be putting in that old radio. We put an antenna on, so we'll get all that working. So, put a new fuel line in. I'm flaring that. Then we'll run that to there, and that'll be that. So, that fuel line is hooked up from the fuel pump up. It's double flared. Got the carb on. Have to find some linkages, the kickdown linkage. And yeah, can't really do much until that. Okay, rider's garage here. The driver's side floor was really rusty, so we have most of the rust cut out. We're gonna put something on it to treat it. We're gonna make a template out of cardboard, cut that out, cut our 20 gauge metal out, try and weld that in. So I did not have one big piece of cardboard, so we're kind of having to put them together, which sucks, but it'll work. That goes to there. That's where the rust exceeds. And then it goes to about there, and then it's stable again. This is where it bends upwards. So we'll make that flat, and then we'll bend that. Make a piece to go in here. Try and cut that out. We got the gas pedal out. We're gonna have to put that bracket back in there someplace, and then that just goes up to there. But we'll figure out. So there's our little half-ass template. That's where the bend's going to be. Here's our sheet. We have it traced out. Gonna cut that out. We'll figure out where a bend has to be. We'll bend that. We'll do some factory beads, and we'll get that done. And paint it, weld it in. Well, I have a couple welds in place. I'm not very good at welding. I knew that would be atrocious, but I got the floor pan kind of set in place. As I go, I'm just gonna be forming it with the hammer and my hands. That's where the dimmer switch goes. That's bad, I gotta grind that down. I'm just gonna go along, form it, clean it up, and hopefully it turns out okay. It's like my second time ever doing this.